Don't lend money. Hey Lisa, congratulations on your promotion. You totally deserve it. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, George. I really appreciate it. It feels great to finally be recognized for my hard work.
Absolutely. You've been working so hard for years, and now it has paid off. I admire your dedication.
Thank you, George. It means a lot coming from you. I know how important it is to work hard to achieve our goals.
You're right, Lisa. Your promotion got me thinking about my own situation. I've been struggling financially lately, with debts piling up and a low salary. I hate to bring it up, but I was wondering if you could lend me some money.
Oh, George, I understand that financial struggles can be tough, but I have a personal policy of not lending money to friends. It can strain relationships, and I don't want our friendship to be affected by money matters.
I see your point, Lisa. I didn't mean to put you in an awkward position. I respect your policy, and I don't want our friendship to suffer either.
I appreciate your understanding, George. It's just that lending money can create expectations and complications, and I prefer to avoid those situations.
I completely understand, Lisa. It was worth a shot asking, but I respect your decision. Friendship is more important than money.
Thank you for understanding, George. I value our friendship too, and I believe we can support each other in different ways without involving money.
Hey, Lisa, congratulations on your promotion. You've made it big. Can you lend me some money too? I could really use it right now.
Hello, Mike. Thank you for your kind words. However, I'm sorry, but I don't lend money to friends. It's just a personal policy of mine.
Oh, come on, Lisa. You're doing so well financially, and I thought we were good friends. I really need the money, and I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
I understand that you're going through a tough time, Mike. But my policy remains the same. I believe it's best to keep financial matters separate from friendships.
Well, that's disappointing. I thought you would help me out, considering our friendship, but I guess I'll have to figure something else out.
I'm sorry if it disappoints you, Mike, but I hope you understand my reasons. I'm here to support you in other ways if you need help or advice.
Hey, Lisa. I heard about your promotion. Congratulations. You must be swimming in cash now. Can you lend me a few $1,000s?
Haha. Sebastian, you're quite the joker. But no, I won't be able to lend you any money either. My policy applies to friends and colleagues alike.
Oh, come on, Lisa. I was just kidding. I know you don't lend money. But seriously, congratulations on your promotion.
Thank you, Sebastian. I appreciate the congratulations. And don't worry, I won't hold your joke against you. Just remember, I'm always here for support and advice if you need it.
Thanks, Lisa. I know I can count on you for that. Keep up the great work and let's celebrate your promotion in a different way.
Absolutely, Sebastian. Let's find a way to celebrate without involving money. It's the thought that counts, right?
You're absolutely right, Lisa. It's the thought and the friendship that matter the most. Congrats once again.
Thank you, Sebastian. Your support means a lot to me. Let's continue to be there for each other as friends, no matter what.
Tips to speak in English. Hey, Sarah, I've been thinking about something lately, and I wanted to get your opinion on it.
Sure, John. What's on your mind?
Well, I've been considering whether I should learn American English or British English. I know they are both part of the same language, but there are some differences between them.
That's an interesting question, John. I think it depends on your personal goals and preferences. Do you have any specific reasons for wanting to learn one over the other?
Yes, I do. I'm thinking about studying at a British university in the future. So it makes sense for me to learn British English to be better prepared for that environment.
That sounds like a good plan, John. If you're planning to study at a British university, it would definitely be advantageous for you to learn the specific variant of English used there. It would help you communicate better with professors and fellow students.
That's what I was thinking too. On the other hand, I know you're working for an American company. Does that mean learning American English would be more beneficial for you?
Yes, it does. Since I'm working for an American company, being familiar with American English helps me in my day-to-day communication with colleagues and clients. It's important to understand the specific language used in the professional setting where I work.
That makes sense, Sarah. It's interesting how the choice between the two variants can depend on our specific goals and contexts. By learning the respective variant, we can integrate better into the cultural and professional settings that we're a part of.
Absolutely, John. But it's worth noting that American English is more widespread globally. It's often preferred by a majority of English learners around the world. This preference is influenced by American media, such as movies, music, and technology companies. So, choosing to learn American English might provide more opportunities for communication and understanding in various international settings.
That's a good point, Sarah. The influence of American media is undeniable, and it does play a role in the popularity of American English. It's something to consider when making our decision.
Definitely, John. However, regardless of the variant we choose, what's most important is to focus on improving our overall English skills. Developing a strong language proficiency will enable effective communication in any context.
I couldn't agree more, Sarah. Whether we choose American English or British English, the main goal should be to continuously improve our English skills. It's about becoming confident and fluent in the language, regardless of the specific variant.
Absolutely, John. The variant we choose is a matter of personal preference and context. The key is to keep learning, practicing, and immersing ourselves in the language to become proficient English speakers.
Well said, Sarah. So let's make a pact to support each other in our English learning journeys, regardless of the variant we choose. Together, we can achieve our goals and become strong English communicators.
I'm with you on that, John. Let's encourage and motivate each other. We'll both succeed in improving our English skills and be better equipped for our respective academic and professional pursuits.
That's the spirit, Sarah. Together, we'll conquer the English language and nothing will hold us back. A man's journey through heartbreak. Hey, Sarah, it's good to be back home after 6 long months. I have to admit, I feel a bit embarrassed about my past relationship.
Hi, Tom. Welcome back. Don't worry about feeling embarrassed. Relationships can be complicated, and we all make mistakes. I respect your decisions, and I promise not to judge you or your girlfriend.
Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate your understanding. The thing is, I've realized that my girlfriend was only interested in my money. I spent a significant amount on her during our travels, and now I feel foolish.
That's tough, Tom. It's disappointing when someone takes advantage of your generosity. Just remember, it's not a reflection of your worth. You deserve someone who loves you for who you are, not for what you have.
You're right, Sarah. I should have paid more attention to the signs. But recently, I discovered something even more devastating. I caught my wife kissing her best friend at a rented apartment, and she expressed her desire for a divorce.
Oh no, Tom, I'm so sorry to hear that. Infidelity can be incredibly painful and shocking. Please know that it's not your fault. You deserve loyalty and respect in a relationship.
I feel devastated. I trusted her completely, and now I regret not listening to the warnings about her being a gold digger.
It's understandable that you're feeling a mix of emotions right now, Tom. Regret is a natural response, but remember that hindsight is always clearer. The important thing is to focus on healing and moving forward.
Thank you, Sarah. Your support means a lot to me. I don't want to seek revenge or cause more harm, though. I just want to find peace and start over.
I completely understand, Tom. Seeking revenge won't bring you the closure you need. Instead, focus on taking care of yourself and rebuilding your life. Surround yourself with people who genuinely care about your well-being.
You're right, Sarah. It's time for me to let go of the past and focus on the future. I appreciate your guidance and positivity. It gives me hope that I can find happiness again.
You're welcome, Tom. I believe in your resilience. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Lean on your loved ones, including your family and friends. We'll support you through this challenging time.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm grateful to have you and others who care about me. Together, we'll overcome this and find a brighter path ahead.